It's a nice evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joseph Godfrey. I am the operations manager for Soul Cyber Company Limited. We deal with softwares, networking. The softwares I'm talking about, computer applications, mobile applications, website designing, that is scripting languages, and a whole lot. I am here to demonstrate to you how our sales soft, that is the third version. We have different versions of it, and how it operates and how it works. So um, I am here to just show you how it operates. Once again, we deal with customization because we believe in each and every organization, one way or the other, is different from another organization. So we try to develop something that is the basis, and if if you have any customization pertaining to your organization and then how you do your stuff, we can help you also inculcate or help you improve on the kind of customization you want in the application. It may be a company, it may be whatsoever. We deal in all aspects of softwares. Everything that is possible, then that can be managed by a computer system or a mobile application. Trust me, we can help you. We are not in for the money. Our vision is to make your job easy and simpler, and also help you improve, because our slogan is manage well to grow. So you manage and then you can grow from there, which will also help you in the near future. Okay, so without much ado, I am going to start the 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 whole process, and I am going to demonstrate to you how point of sale application works um, for the basis, or for 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 what we have designed it to be. And once again, we deal with customization, and we can help you. So, okay. All right. So the point of sale software. This is the shortcut on the desktop of my system. Um, we used Java in designing. If you want to know more on Java development or Java applications, you can go online and research. We used MySQL as a database. We use the reporting system. We can design each and every report, every graph, every API, that is SMS, every online email addressing, and a whole lot of things with our Java application. So it is a very powerful tool that we use mostly in designing of our 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 systems. So without much ado, I'm going to demonstrate to you how it operates. Okay, so thank you very much. So all right, so I am launching the application, and the software is called SalesSoft. Okay, so this is how it goes. All right, so this is the login interface, very simple and easy, not anything fancy, but get the jobs done. That is all we need. We have the ICMS, integrated combined or cyber management system. Most of our applications bear this. It is something like a trademark for us. So most of our application bears it. So I am going to log in as an administrator right now. Now this system deal with three-level users. We have the administrator who manage and oversee most of the activities of the other users, and then we have um, the store, and then we have the cashier or the sales point where the sales is being done. So I'm going to start with the with the administrative functions, and then you can see how it goes. So I have created some password for myself, and I am going to log in as such to make it work also. So I have created a password, just one, and the username and the password is just one. So I'll log in. All right, so that is it. This video tutorial deals with just the administrative panel alone. It is very simple and very easy to manipulate. We have all these functions as per what the administrator can do when he oversees. Mostly he does just viewing report, assigning and doing a whole lot of things. Now we have a system home, that is what you see here. We have the system users. He creates system users. As I told you, we have three level users, administrator, cashier, and then we have the store um, also in there. And then we have the products, the registered product also. The administrator have the ability to look at it, check the number of record he have, and then also get access to the report of the product they have. We have the inventory, how do goods flow, how do goods come in. These are also part of it. We have the purchase order. He the administrator is liable to approve purchase order. That is purchase order. Sorry, he can approve purchase order, and then we have debtors, those who are owing the company, and also with their account in there. We have the sales history. After sales is done, he can view. He can look at the report and the sales, and then he can also change his password also as well. And then he have spy drugs. Don't worry about these drugs because most companies, this one was designed for a pharmacy system. So this name will change pertaining to what you do. If you do certain things like other services, you can register it and then make this one change for you. So maybe a spy product or maybe a spy spare parts or whatsoever. It is dependent. I am demonstrating with um, with, with this one too as well. So let's begin. So the the home interface deals with you can see the cash per day. This one filters per day, so you can see balances today. So pertaining to the date, you can see the cash balances at hand. You can see the mobile monies that came in from the sales part after the sales have been done. We have the credit sales and then we have the debtors payment. These are how income flows in our system. Either it is by cash, mobile money, credit sales, maybe pertaining to the how many credit sales did you do, and then we have the debtors payment, those who came to redeem themselves from from their balances. This is just a menu. That is the whole thing here also can be found here. But we have the liability of just adding this one for easy manipulation and simple access to the individual panel. So that is the whole. We have the system users. How do you create system users? All you do is you create a username, a password, but mind you, it is telling you the moment you give somebody a username, you can't change it. The person can have the ability to change his password, but his username, no, you can't change it simply because if the person is able to manipulate his own username, when something goes wrong in the system where we want to pinpoint somebody for, maybe we cannot find the user by his name. But when the administrator creates it, he creates John and it will always remain John. When you log in with John, every time whatsoever you do, it will be pinned to John. So that is the more reason why. So for security reasons. So you enter the username for the person, you create an initial password where the person have the ability to rechange it after he have logged in with that password. You retype your password, the first name of the person, the last name, the telephone number, and then the access level. Maybe he's an administrator, cashier, or a store personnel. So that is how it is being done. You save it and you can see it as a record here. The user have the ability to delete the user also from the system without having access to the system anymore. Now we go to the registered product. What do you do? All the products would be registered. Now the user or the administrator here do not have the ability to register because we have somebody who does that. But he have the ability to view. Okay, we have the ability to view all the product. Now when I select all product, you can see that with this one we have it was I took a database from somewhere, so forgive me if it is not pertaining to drugs, but I needed something to. I think this was a cosmetic shop. Yeah, we have a client, some client who are using it in a cosmetic shop, which is helping them. So you can see shower gel and a whole lot of things here. Okay, so it also work for you as well if you hack onto our system. So you can see showing 1949 out of 194. So because I have populated all, so it will show me everything pertaining to the to the to the product I have registered. Now, when I click on this project report or uh, product report, pardon me, it is going to populate a report on the product I have registered. Now you can see that the name of the company is here with the location and their emails. That is the report header. So I can go to next, and I'll see all the products that have been registered in the system, which can be printed out. So I can either save the product, and with our reporting system, you can either save it in an Excel sheet, or you can print it or save it in a PDF or Word format. You can print it if you have a printer. It will just allow you to print. You can also save it in all this format also as well. So every report I open, you have this flexibility to do whatsoever you want to the report. Now, when you come to the inventory system, now pertaining to the inventory, now when you go to the store, that is where this one will make sense. Okay, I don't have a lot of records right now in my database, which let me see if I can get some records in there so that I can populate the product information for you. Let me pause the video and try to get some records in there. All right, welcome back. So I wanted to demonstrate to you how the inventory history works. So I've added some inventory. So now the moment I click on the first product, it shows me exactly the inventory of that specific product. So I can just select, I can keep selecting, and whatsoever this product have been used for or have been received in the system will automatically show me. So I can also search for the product by name here or by the code. Okay, so these are the codes that will be showing me. Now I can also filter the report from January 1 up to 30th and then go to search. It will show me all the products that have been received within this time period, or I can populate a report pertaining to it, and it is going to show me a very nice report. And it is telling me inventory report for the period from this January 2013 up to January 31st, 2013. So it will show me, and it will show me the totals too as well. So the purchase price was this, the retail price after selling. This is the if I sell all these goods for retail, this is how much I'm going to, and when I sell it wholesale, this is how much it is going to be like. This is just for demonstration, so it's not any. So that is how the inventory report works. Now, when I come to the purchase order, now where with the administrator, you are the one who approves. You approves. How do I say, purchase orders. So, for instance, this one when I clicked it, you see that it was showing me here that it have already been approved. Okay, so the moment I click here, approved and received product, you see that it showed me one. Now when I come to this and I click on it, automatically it is showing me that I can approve this product. Okay, so when I click on it, this product, all these goods would be approved the from the store. So the store would prepare the purchase order, and then with administrator, you have the liability and the flexibility to approve the specific product for them. So that is how exactly it works and functions. So we come to the debtors, those who have borrowed or who have come to make credit sales. Now you want to find their record and see how much, and then let me come back to the purchase order. There is one thing I forgot. You can view the purchase order in a report form. So you can see the purchase order for these dates. Now it is prepared on these dates. Okay, which was prepared by somebody who logs in with the username of SS, okay, which I'm going to demonstrate to you when I come to the store funnel. And the batch number for this purchase order was this. Date of approval was this. It was approved by who? Okay, now order approved by one, simply because I logged in with one. Okay, that is the username, and it was you or it was me who approved it, and then the product was received after I approved it. The store also have to receive it. Okay, so the same user also receive it into the store, so you can have this report. in any format. Okay, so I click it and I can get that report also in there. Now let me come to the debtors again. Those who have come to make credit sales, and then they are with the company, so you have to get their history. You can search them by their name or by their ID. Now after it's been done, the ID and then the name can be searched for. Now when I click on the person, it is showing me that this person uh, with a company name or with a name ICGC Hospital. Okay, their phone contact is this, their address is that, their date of sales was this. That is the sales for the credit, and then the debt amount was 205. Okay, the amount paid, they can pay it in installment in the system. So they have redeemed 30% out of this, and then their current balance is this. So this is their payment history. Okay, payment history. I mean, how much they have been paying. So the first time they paid 10 cedis, and the second time they paid 20, making it 30. And here you can repopulate the receipt that was given to them. This is the small kind of receipt. So if the company do not want this but want it in an A4 sheet, hey, why not? We still design. And then when I click on it, it is telling me these are the goods. Okay, these are the goods that the person bought that made him owe this much. Okay, so I can click it so I can see credit sales history. Now when I click on the credit note, it is going to show me a report, okay, with his details on top. So he bought always, and then he bought lady something something, making this total for the person to pay. And when I come to the next person to the same thing, I can click, and then it will show me whatever the person also bought that makes him get this. Is ZHCC. It is a short form for one of our client who manages a hospital. They have a hospital. We also have a very nice hospital management software that works at all levels, from the records up to claims, account, billing, pay, name it, and then we are there to help. So they also are owing this much, and they have, I think they have not paid anything. So you can see they are still owing us. Okay, so they have not paid anything, and they are still owing 276. So that is how the debtors account for work. So when I come here and collect it, it will show me the general people who are owing us. Okay, so as a total, we have these two people owing us with their details coming in there, and their debt is 475, and then they have paid just 30 cities out, and then the balance is this, which the company still have to get out of the two people in there. And then we come to the sales history. Now the sales history deals with the sales we do. I think, let me find some sales in there for us. So that I don't know the kind of records in there. So let me populate up to 2021. Okay, no, 2022. We are not there yet. So that I can set, okay, nice. So I have some record of sales in there. So when I search for it, I see the sales we have done. Now it's telling us this person with a customer name, Holy God Hospital. It is for tutorial. And then ZTCC, they have pages, or they have made these pages. Now I can search, or I can select two reports. Now when I select cashless mobile money and click on this report, it is going to give me a nice analysis and a nice report pertaining to whatever is going on. This report helps you, so you can sit down and you look at it very well. You have the date, product ID, the item, the person, but now it breaks down with each individual, okay, coming in there and calculate the profit that the person or the company got out of the sales of each and every individual, and they calculate the total profit too as well. So when you have yourself with this software, trust me, it will help you a whole lot with a whole lot of analysis coming in there. And when I click on the credit sales, maybe if that day there were some credit sales that within this period, okay, fine, we have some credit sales also coming in there. Now it is telling us that this 205, which we see as a debt, also has a record in here. And then we have the 272 also in here, which is breaking down and telling us that from credit sales for the period from this to this has this total. So we have to get the money also from there. Now you can change your password, and you can also see some expired goods. So these two goods we are saying will expire during this time. So so you can see that it is telling me that all products that will expire within 7 days. Now, sorry, it is just for tutorial. So I clicked on it and it will show me that these products will be expiring, or product that expires in 7 days or less. So you can see this product also coming in there. Okay, so this is the summary of how the software works and how it does it functions. We have about getting to 12 or 10 reports for you as an administrator, just to get yourself abreast. I couldn't explain all the reports, something like this report. I couldn't explain it, but surely maybe when you get yourself the software, you can go through. I couldn't also explain most of the reports in here, and it will help you manage your company at all levels. Now, I want to thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and we hope to hear from you. As I told you, we are not in to just get your money. We are in to build your partners that you can rely on every time, so that we can build together. Now, we have companies that we do visit, that we are helping. If you want testimonies, I think we have our sales representatives out there. I have a very good brother of mine, John, who have been selling a lot in Accra for us. I have also one in Techiman. I have one in Sudan, and a whole lot. So you can find a whole lot from us. As I am done, I am going to give my telephone number, and you can call me personally so that we can talk. My name is Don from Pont Godfrey, and this is my telephone number: 024 024 00 I'm going to type it here so that if you want to get in contact with me, you can. This is my name. Let me make it short. Don't I'm Godfrey. Don't let me put it that way. But my full name is Don from Pont Godfrey. This is my telephone number: 024007345. You can call me direct, or you can get our sales representative. John is there. When he is there, it is just like representing us, because we trust him 100% to deliver. And then everything you want, you can talk through him, because he also helped us a lot in designing the whole system. And we have been helping improve the whole lot. He gets it to the clients and tell us exactly what they want, and we also deliver also exactly what they want. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial on the administrative panel alone. I am going to demonstrate a store as well as the sales point also as well, so that you know exactly how the software functions. So thank you very much again, and I hope to hear from you, and I hope that you are going to enjoy our software once you be in partnership with us. God bless you, and I hope you have a very, 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 very good day. Thank you. Bye bye.